Introducing Smart Grip, Direct Mounting Type, Dovetail Clamping System for YASDA PX30i, Vertical 5-Axis Machining Center with Automatic Pallet Changer. Dovetail clamp method has many advantages. Compact design fixture can maximize workpiece size and accessibility. Avoid interference by clamping bottom of workpiece. Prepare the material by cutting a dovetail for the clamping area. Commercially available dovetail cutter can be used to make dovetail. Despite minimum clamping margin, dovetail creates great clamping rigidity. Heavy-duty machining is possible without workpiece lifting up, even when machining from all directions. Enjoy watching the rest of the video.